we're going to talk about our street maintenance crews and what they're working on this summer. So if you see them out, this map might kind of explain about what they're doing for our street infrastructure. So this map is an 8-year breakdown of the whole city, and so each color represents a different eighth of the city, and this is related to our crack seal plan. So as you can see, the blue line is our 2021 this year, and that's in our crack seal area for this year. So if you look at the map, the blue area of town is where we are focusing for our crack seal plan. So our crack seal crew is primarily in that area this year. They do hit other areas of town as well, so you may see them somewhere else in problem areas and high impacted areas, but their focus is going to be in the area that's blue. Now our patching crew actually works ahead of them, so we will go out and repair problem areas of the road and where they may be depressed or they may have a lot of alligator cracking in the asphalt, and we'll do that ahead of the crack seal crew. So actually our patching crew this year is working in the green area, which is next year's crack seal area, which is on this area of town right here. So our patching crew is working in this area primarily this year. Again, they are working all over town when problems arise, but their area of focus is in this green area. And that way, next year, that area is kind of prepped and ready to go for crack sealing. So next year, 2022, again, the crack seal crew would come to this green area, and it has already been patched. And so that's kind of the system we follow in-house, and all these crews are in-house crews with the city of Montrose, and they're trying to follow this pattern, right? If they get through 8 years of this, then they start over. So it's a cycle that they follow these colors through. And after it's crack sealed, so after this year in 2021, the blue area, after it's been crack sealed, that area also then becomes eligible for a larger improvement that we may contract out, as far as a slurry seal or a cape seal or even an overlay, depending on the street condition. Different improvements can be done, but it's typically best to do that after it's been patched and crack sealed. So our city crews kind of do the prep work and the preventative maintenance, and then as funding is available, we contract out the larger improvements to those areas based on what has been prepared by our in-house crews. All right, that's it for this plan, but if you'd like to stay up to date on other things the city's working on, any capital projects or infrastructure things we're working on, visit movemo.co. There's a link there for every project we have going, or follow us on social media.